Greetings, gents, ladies. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I've had some more requests to do ASMR shaving, specifically with a Muhle R41 razor, which is right here. You may ask, what is ASMR? Coined in 2010, ASMR, otherwise known as Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a relaxing, often sedative sensation that begins on the scalp and moves down the body. Also known as brain massage, it's triggered by placid sights and sounds, such as whispers, accents, and crackles. So I will lather up with some shaving cream, apply it with a brush, and proceed to get my shave on. And you can just listen and follow along. You may like it, you may not like it, but many people are fond of ASMR. Let's get started. Shave Nation Shaving Bowl, the Artisan Chicago Shaving Bowl. Baume BE Shaving Cream. Simpson's Chubby 2 Shaving Brush. Marble cup. We'll fill it with some hot water. Here's what the brush looks like when it's dry. Let's drop it into the water. Pour out the water. Shake the brush. Load the tips with shaving cream. Right into the bowl to produce some lather. More water. Lots of lather. Set that down. I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. The Muhle R41 razor. It's got teeth. A feather blade. Remove it from the paper. Let's apply the lather. Figure 8. Clear the runaways so we can see the sideburns. Warm up the razor. Here we go. One pass complete, smooth shave. It's a very efficient shaving razor. It will get the job done quickly. Let's rinse off. This is a Shave Nation wide stick Alum block. Remove the cap. Glide that over all the areas you shaved. Excellent finish to the shave. Seals off any nicks. Closes the pores. It's a natural antiseptic, comes from the earth. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds. Rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Apply some aftershave balm. Right into the fingertips. Directly to the face. Cool, calming. Excellent finish to the shave. One pass, pretty darn smooth. The Muhle R41. ShaveNation.com. Please subscribe, click that like button. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.